Alright, guys, step one, Stephen, what's the first thing you gotta do? Find the what?
18.
Reference number is 18. Break 18 up into two factors to add together to give you minus 19.
Minus 18 minus 1.
Minus 18 minus 1, well done. Then what's step 2?
2x squared minus 18 minus 1.
Minus 18x minus 1x plus 9. What can you take out of the first two, Stephen?
You can get 2.
2?
X.
Bracket.
X.
Yeah.
Minus 9.
Check it out. 2x by x, 2x squared. 2x by minus 9? Minus 18x. Now what do we know about the second bracket?
That when you put x minus
It's the same.
yeah, it's minus 1.
And minus 1 goes in here. Check it out, Stephen. Minus 1 by x?
Minus 1x.
Minus 1 by minus 9? And then what's the answer then?
2x minus 1
1
and x.
minus 9. 2x minus 1, x minus 9. Alright guys, who got that one now? Okay. Still a couple of people getting stuck, Aaron?
I don't know what I still have some.
Alright, Tommy. How'd you get the reference number?
Is it 8x squared times 3?
Yeah, it's the 8 by the 3, which gives you the 24. Perfect.
So
What number do you want in the middle?
you want minus 14, so would that be 12 and 2, so
Minus 12 minus 2 is perfect, right? Minus 12 minus 2 is perfect. What's your next step?
do you put it in the brackets?
Not just yet, that's the next step, but you know what you're doing. What you change minus 14x into?
You change it to minus 12 minus 2.
Minus 12x minus 2x, perfect.
3.
Now, what you do here is you have two different sections, okay? Now, what can you take out of the first section?
We'll take out the x.
Take out the x. Now, look at the 12 and the 8. Which number is the biggest number that divides into them both?
4.
4. So you take out 4. Now, here's those brackets you're talking about, okay? Now, 4x multiplied by what gives you 8x squared?
By 2.
2x. 2x, perfect. 4x multiplied by what gives you minus 12x?
By minus 3.
Perfect. Now what do you know about the next bracket then? It's always the same, okay? Always the same. Now what you got to figure out next is what number goes in here and multiplies 2x to give you minus 2x.
Would it be minus 1?
Minus 1's perfect. Now what's the answer then?
2x minus 3.
Yeah.
4x minus 1.
That is a correct answer, yeah. Or the other way around is also the same answer. So, yeah, you got it right. Well done. Okay. Connor, you up next, are you?
Yep.
Alright, Connor, off you go.
So 4x squared minus 11x plus xx.
Yeah.
Your reference
6.
number is 24.
Alright, 4 multiplied by 6 gives you a reference number of 24. Okay, after that?
Minus 8 and minus 3.
Minus 8 multiplied by minus 3 gives you plus 24. Yeah, when you add them, you get minus 11. Next step, Connor.
4x squared minus
Yeah.
8x minus 3x plus 6.
Yeah,
Out of the first two, you take out 4x.
yeah,
And in the brackets, it's x minus 2.
yeah,
And out of the second two, you take out minus 3. In the
yeah.
brackets, it's x minus 2 as well.
Now let's do a check, Connor, okay? We're going to get somebody to do a check. Oisin, will you do this check for me? 4x by x? Check. 4x multiplied by minus 2? Grand. Minus 3 by x? And minus 3 by minus 2? So you tell Connor he's correct until this point. Right, Connor, finish it off for me.
In the first bracket, it's 4x minus 3.
Yeah.
Second bracket, x minus 2.
X minus 2. Okay. Now, we're going to get Aaron to help me out with this one. Okay, Aaron, what's the reference number?
9 by 96.
Which is?
15.
When you add them is 15, when you multiply them?
Oh, sorry. 54.
54, right? And it's a minus 54 because the minus 6, so you're on board with that. Now, two numbers that multiply together to give you 54.
9 and 6.
Perfect. Now 9 and 6 won't work because you can't add them together to make 25. So pick another number, something smaller maybe. Will 2 divide into 54?
Yeah.
Because it's an even number. So what's 54 divided by 2?
It's 27.
27. Now which one should be positive, which one should be negative?
2? No. Yeah, 2.
If you do plus 2 minus 27, you get minus 25. We're looking for?
Plus 21.
You're looking for plus 25. So what can we do down here to make sure that happens?
Plus minus 27.
Plus 27 minus 2. Okay, because that gives you plus 25. Okay, Joe, we finished this off for me. What do we do next?
So, plus 2 x, so then that's minus 2 plus 27.
Minus 2x plus 27x minus 6. Now, Joe, what can we take out the first two?
So, take out x.
Just take out x, isn't it? Is there any number that will divide into 2 and 9?
8.
No, a number that's smaller than both of them, same size or smaller, that will divide into both of them. 1 is the only one, isn't it? Which means we can't do anything with it. Now, x multiplied by what, Sean? X multiplied by what gives you 9x squared? 9x. X multiplied by what gives you minus 2x? Alright, what do we know about the next one? It's got to be the same. What number goes in here and multiplies by 9x to give you 27x? Ryan?
3.
Just plus 3. Now what's the answer then, Ryan?
X plus 3 equals 9.
Not equals, multiplied by 9x minus 2. Alright guys, this one. Yeah?
That one I got a different answer, but it's right.
What you get?
9x minus 2x plus 3.
Yeah, that's the same thing. 3 multiplied by 2 is the same thing as 2 multiplied by 3. Okay, this one is a short one. How do I know it's a short one? Stephen?
X squared at the front.
It has x squared, 1x squared. So this time I know right away. What can I do right away?
X and X.
X and x. Perfect. Reference number, Donald?
You multiply 1 by 72.
Minus 72, which gets you?
Minus 72.
Perfect. Now what happens now?
You can split it into minus 6.
Minus 6.
Or minus 12.
Minus 12 plus 6, okay? And that's our answer, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, this one here. Can we have Luke? 2 times minus 15? Reference number is minus 30. Break up minus 30 into two numbers that multiply to give you 30, but add together or subtract to give you minus 7.
Let's go with 5 and 6.
5 and 6 we'll start off with. Now one of them has to be negative, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So will 5 minus 6 work?
No.
Will minus 5 plus 6 work?
Yeah.
Minus 5 plus 6 is 1x, that's a 7. So it could be mistaken for a 1 though. So pick another two numbers. Think smaller.
3 by 10.
3 by 10. And then what happens? Which one should be negative?
Minus 10.
Minus 10 plus 3. Now Joey, finish this one off.
So,
2x squared.
plus 3 x.
Yeah.
3x minus 2x.
Yeah, minus.
Minus 15.
Alright Joey, what can come out the first two?
X.
X into? Anybody?
X into into 2
2
x
x, yeah,
and 3.
plus 3. Well done. Now what do we know about the next bracket? The next bracket is always the same. It's always the same. Alright, and what number goes in here to multiply 2x to give you minus 10x?
5.
Minus 5. And what do we get? X minus 5? Bracket 2x plus 3. Okay, I'm going to stop.